Building a security-first culture via cloud security reporting for business impact. Help transform technical security data into compelling business narratives that align your entire organization, from the boardroom to the DevOps team, using Microsoft's powerful reporting tools. Last week, we continued our series on 10 best cloud practices for the modern enterprise. This week, we will focus on fostering a security-first culture through effective reporting and communication, and build organizational alignment and support by translating technical risk into business impact for all stakeholders. The most advanced security technologies and the most well-defined processes will ultimately fall short without the support and engagement of the entire organization. The 10th and perhaps most critical best practice is to foster a security-first culture, and the cornerstone of this culture is effective communication and reporting. Security can no longer be the sole responsibility of a siloed team of specialists. In a modern enterprise, everyone from the board of directors and executive leadership to individual developers and operators has a role to play in maintaining a strong security posture. Building this shared sense of ownership requires a deliberate and continuous effort to translate technical security data into some security tools you can consider for improving your business security posture. CrowdStrike Falcon, an AI-driven platform for securing your infrastructure at scale and keeping up with AI advancements. https://crowdstrike2001.partnerlinks.io/cpf-coaching. Any security awareness and training is essential for your team to stay updated with the evolving threat landscape, enhancing the effectiveness of the teams supporting your organization. https://get.ne.com/cpf-coaching. Tenable helps identify weaknesses in your infrastructure, whether on premises, in the cloud, or in your software, providing your vulnerability management with the visibility it needs. https://shop.tenable.com/cpf-coaching. Cyvater AI managed endpoint protection solution for SMBs and digital cloud environment. https://cyvaterai5706.referralrock.com/l/christophe77/ Omnistruct helps you with privacy, GRC, and security programs. They can serve as your BISO to help scale your team and security program. https://omnistruct.com/partners/influencers-meet-omnistruct/. Git helps you turn your tribal, undocumented processes into easy-to-follow documented videos and instructions. https://affiliate.git.com/cpf-coaching. CyberUpgrade simplifies the process of enhancing your cyber and digital risk management, allowing you to grow your business without having to be a compliance expert. We take care of the complexities associated with frameworks like DORA, ISO 27001, and NIS2, enabling your team to concentrate on building, scaling, and serving your customers. https://join.cyberupgrade.net/cpf-coaching. 1Password secures your secrets, tokens, passwords, documents, and more. Whether you're at home, work, or school, they offer programs suited for everyone. https://1Password. Partner links IAPF coaching meaningful business context, demonstrate the value of security investments, and build bridges of collaboration across all departments. Effective reporting is the primary mechanism for achieving this cultural shift. It is the bridge that connects the security team's day-to-day activities with the organization's strategic objectives. When done well, reporting moves the perception of the security program from that of an opaque cost center to a transparent and vital business enabler that actively protects revenue, reputation, and customer trust. Know your audience and tailor the message. The most common failure in security reporting is a one-size-fits-all approach. The information that is critical for a network engineer is irrelevant noise to a board member. Effective communication requires tailoring the content, language, and format of reports to the specific audience. Executive and board level reporting. This communication should be concise, visual, and focused exclusively on business risk and strategic alignment. It should answer questions like, what are our most significant cyber risks? How are we performing against our risk reduction goals and compliance mandates? What is the return on our security investment? This report should be free of technical jargon, CVE numbers, and granular operational details, instead using high-level, trend-based visuals and risk-based metrics like those discussed earlier in the series. Technical team reporting. This reporting is for the IT and DevOps teams responsible for remediation. It needs to be detailed, actionable, and precise. It should contain specific information about each vulnerability, including the affected assets, proof of the vulnerability, clear remediation steps, and links to relevant patches or configuration guides. Translate technical risk into business impact. To gain buy-in from leadership, security professionals must learn to speak the language of the business. Instead of reporting that we have 500 open critical vulnerabilities, a more effective message would be, our analysis shows 15 distinct attack paths that could lead to a breach of our customer payment database, and we have prioritized the 50 vulnerabilities that would disrupt these paths. This reframes the issue from a technical problem to a direct threat to business operations and customer trust. Using a risk metric that quantifies the potential financial impact of a breach or the value of the assets being protected can be a powerful tool for securing resources and support. Establish a consistent reporting cadence. Communication should be regular and predictable. Establishing a formal reporting cadence ensures that security remains a consistent topic of conversation at all levels of the organization. A common best practice is to implement monthly operational reports for tactical review with it and security management, quarterly business reviews for strategic review with executive leadership and business unit heads. These regular meetings provide a forum to review progress, discuss challenges, and ensure alignment between security efforts and business priorities. The power of visual dashboards. In the age of big data, visual dashboards are essential for making complex security information digestible and understandable at a glance. A well-designed dashboard can consolidate data from multiple sources and present key trends and KPIs in an intuitive format, enabling real-time or near real-time monitoring of the organization's security posture. Microsoft implementation for those on a Microsoft stack. Microsoft provides a top-tier platform designed for developing dynamic and tailored dashboards that play a crucial role in delivering effective security reporting. This platform enables users to visualize data in a comprehensive manner, allowing for real-time monitoring of security metrics and incidents. With a variety of customization options, organizations can create dashboards that align with their unique security needs, integrating data from diverse sources to ensure a holistic view of their security posture. Power BI for unified security reporting. Microsoft Power BI is the ideal tool for building a central security reporting and analytics hub. Its key strength lies in its ability to connect to a vast and diverse range of data sources, allowing it to ingest and consolidate data from across the entire security ecosystem and present it in a single unified view. Data integration. Power BI can connect directly to the APIs of the entire Microsoft security stack, including Microsoft Defender for Cloud, Microsoft Sentinel, and Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management. This enables the creation of a comprehensive dashboard that visualizes all the KPIs defined in earlier blogs, pulling data from across the multi-cloud and hybrid environment. Building actionable dashboards. The report should guide clients on how to leverage Power BI to build effective dashboards. This includes connecting to data sources, using the built-in connectors or custom queries to pull data from sources like the Microsoft Graph Security API and the Defender for Endpoint Advanced Hunting APIs. Choosing effective visuals. Using visuals like tree maps to show the relative number of vulnerabilities by asset type, bar charts to rank top vulnerabilities, and map visuals to show the geographic distribution of threats. Enabling interactivity, creating slicers and filters that allow users to dynamically drill down into the data, for example, by filtering the entire dashboard to show only the vulnerabilities affecting a specific business unit's assets or owned by a particular application team. Leveraging templates. The Microsoft Defender team maintains a repository of pre-built Power BI report templates that can provide a significant head start in visualizing data for attack surface management, threat management, and more. By creating these tailored dashboards, a CISO can walk into a board meeting with a clear, data-driven story. They can visually demonstrate the downward trend in MTTR, the improvement in SLA compliance, and the reduction in overall risk to the company's crown jewel assets. This level of transparent, business-focused communication is the ultimate tool for fostering a security-first culture, ensuring the security program is perceived not as a cost, but as a strategic investment in business resilience. Conclusion. The 10 best practices outlined in this report provide a comprehensive and integrated framework for building a modern, resilient, and effective cloud security program. The central theme that connects these practices is a strategic evolution away from traditional, reactive security measures toward a proactive, continuous, and risk-based approach. The modern threat landscape, defined by the speed and scale of cloud computing, demands nothing less. A successful vulnerability management program is no longer a simple cycle of scanning and patching. It is a holistic discipline that begins with complete attack surface visibility across all multi-cloud and hybrid environments. It is driven by an intelligent, risk-based prioritization model that looks beyond CVSS to incorporate real-world threat intelligence and business context. It is fortified by the integration of identity and access management as a primary control plane, using principles like JIT access to virtually patch vulnerabilities by preventing their exploitation. Furthermore, a mature program is accelerated by automation and security orchestration, which are essential for responding at machine speed. It is made more efficient by embedding security into the DevOps lifecycle, preventing vulnerabilities at their source. It is made accountable through the enforcement of robust policies and SLOs, and it is made more precise by adopting a data-centric posture that prioritizes the protection of the organization's most sensitive information. Finally, the entire program is bound together by a foundation of actionable metrics and a culture of security fostered through effective, data-driven communication. The ability to measure progress and translate technical risk into business impact is what elevates a security program from a technical function to a strategic business enabler. For organizations navigating this complex journey, the Microsoft security ecosystem, encompassing Microsoft Defender for Cloud, Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management, Microsoft Entra, and Microsoft Sentinel, offers a powerful, integrated cloud-native application protection platform. It provides the tools necessary to implement each of these 10 best practices, offering a unified management plane to secure the modern, heterogeneous enterprise. This series should be used as a roadmap. We encourage leaders to assess their organization's current maturity against these 10 pillars, identify areas for improvement, and leverage the capabilities of the Microsoft Security Platform to accelerate their journey. By embracing this holistic and strategic approach, organizations can move beyond simply managing vulnerabilities and begin to truly manage and reduce their cyber risk, ensuring a more secure and resilient future in the cloud.